Hi everyone, welcome to Chat Genie, where we help and empower business owners just like you to sell inside the world's biggest apps. So in our previous video, we shared with you how you can create a traffic Facebook ad campaign for your mini app. And for today's video, we'll be sharing with you how you can push for certain products from your online store. So this is actually great if you have like product promos, if you have a new product, or if you just really want that extra product push. So without further ado, let's get into it. And as always, we start with our Chat Genie account. So I already logged in earlier in my Chat Genie account, and we're here. And let's go to the categories and product and select products. So here we can get the unique product link per product that we have in our mini app. So to get that, just click share product link and click copy and close. So of course, we all know that it's super important for us to monitor the performance of our ad, to monitor the performance of each product. And to do so, you can just head on to Referral and click Add. So for example, we want the product we selected earlier was sourdough, bread, April, add. And let's just paste here the unique product link and click add. So since I already generated a referral link for that product, I already have that here. So I'll just go ahead and click copy link. So as mentioned earlier, you can see here in the referral portion, the number of clicks or orders the product generated or the ad generated. So again, copy link. And then now that we have the product link or the referral link, we can now head on to Ads Manager. So this is where we get to set up the ad. So I already went ahead earlier in setting up the first few portions of our ad, but just to reiterate, it's important for us to click traffic for our ad campaign or our ad objective. And let's now go here to the new traffic ad, where we get to set the specifics of our ad. So here in our ad setup, we have the option to choose between single image or video, carousel or collection. So for example, we want to just have a single image or video. So let's click that. And here in the ad creative section, we get to plug in all of the details that we want for our ad. So let's add media and select an image for this ad. So here and click next, and allow enhancements, done. So we can now fill this out accordingly. So let's just put here sourdough loaf, headline. So what's great about this is you can check the ad preview. So now let's just put that as is, headline, loaf, best sourdough loaf in town. There. So here in our in the destination portion, this is now where we get to paste the link that we created earlier. So I'll just get that again, copy link, and paste that here in the website URL. So now every time a customer clicks the shop now, they will be directed to your mini app, specifically to this product there. So if you want to add this link to your caption, it's important, or we recommend that you convert it into a bit.ly link so it will be shortened up a bit. So there, and don't forget to also set this as a link. So to do that, let's just add https -- all right, there. So there we have it. You now have a product ad, and every time a customer now clicks on this ad, they will be redirected to your mini app or the product that you created the ad for. So that's actually it for today's video. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss a business tip from Chat Genie. Thanks, everyone.